Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the sync works reliably. Make sure both iPhone and iPad run the latest iOS, are signed into the same Apple ID, and have iCloud enabled for the data types you want. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and keep them near each other. Plug into power if syncing large libraries. Now open Settings on the iPhone and iPad, and go to Apple ID right arrow iCloud to selectively toggle contacts, photos, notes, and other categories you intend to sync. Next, you configure the middle steps that move data between devices. On both devices, enable iCloud Drive and Match App toggles so the same apps sync content. This ensures continuity. Make a manual iCloud backup on the iPhone to capture recent changes, because Restore-based sync uses that snapshot. For messages, activate messages in iCloud so threads and attachments sync. For third-party apps like WhatsApp, follow their in-app backup instructions. Once all toggles match, wait for iCloud to complete initial uploads before proceeding to the final transfer. To finish, confirm that photos, contacts, notes, mail, and app data appear on the iPad exactly as on the iPhone. If something's missing, force a manual sync by toggling the app's iCloud switch off and on, or trigger an iCloud backup and restore sequence. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage and a stable network. If sync still fails, sign out of Apple ID on the affected device and sign back in. This often resolves account token errors. One key troubleshooting tip: check iCloud storage first, because most sync failures are storage related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.